Today's toy Yamaha R1. I'm not sure, but I think this part needs repainting, this fixing up. Number of the balls need replacing because they are crap. I mean, they vary sizes, vary shapes, whatever. There should be Allen keys all over. Well, I'm talking fairing wise and etc. Good bits. They got new brake discs, front and back, fairly good condition. I think it's just rear fairing was replaced, but wasn't painted because you still can see the mold lines. And also this bad boy works only on 3 cylinders. So let me start it up, show you how it sounds now and how it will sound after I repair it. There you go, don't even want to start up.
5 minutes later.
Come on. Oh, silly me. Probably no petrol, because they had the carburetors leaking. Let's try again.
Much later.
Warm up a bit.
Much later.
That's how shitty it sounds. Let's stay outside, better light. So yeah, I need to fix all imperfections, like so, like original bolt, shitty 8mm, all sort of, but let's get it done. I took a fuel tank off, and sorry, I can't stop laughing, but the reason is why this bike is not starting up and works only when the fuel tank on, because obviously the fuel being pressurized. But look, the fucking carburetors, the man. I think I want to prove you guys that I'm not faking it. I'm gonna try to make a fuel supply here, then I'm gonna force some fuel in, and you'll see it running. Right, so I got fuel connected, and let's try. Trying to find the position where it was before.
A lot of boring math later.
Well, we've seen it, so I'm guessing the fuel tank was holding more likely in the place, and that's why it was working. But man, they're not even in the rubbers. They're not even in the rubbers. Never seen that before. It's fucking wicked. Fucking wicked. Right, let's crack on, see what else I'm gonna find in this bike. Another clickbait, eh? Right, see them. Got carburetors in my hand. They're not looking very good. I'm going to check them out, clean and wash them, and fit them back in, and see you then. So carburetors washed. Now we're gonna put them back on just before we need to put them rubbers, well, inlet manifolds, then carbs on, sorry, this way around, carbs on, and we're gonna start it up. Nice and sturdy. So now we've got fuel connected, fuel tank back on. Need to get it started and running. Well, I did warmed up a little bit, and then we're gonna check what the gauge shows. So shall we? Me being me, always forgetting to film things because I wasn't planning. Right, anyway, carburetor synchronized and back in its place, and that's what we got now. Settles down. Now we need to sort out the seats. Stay tuned.